Everything you're looking at right now, these ads, these angles, as you see right here, even some of this UGC was all made in one AI chat in minutes. This is the exact work an agency charges you $5,000 for, and I'm gonna show you how I cloned all of it start to finish. Now let me give you the frame here, because when you're paying for an agency, here's what you're actually paying for. It's three things. Number one, the strategy, who you're actually gonna be targeting, the creative, which is the actual ads, and of course launching it, which is just getting it live on Meta. Not every agency does that. Some agencies just do creatives or just do the launching on Meta, but you can do both now with AI. Now, this is all done through Higgsfield's MCP for Claude. And now you can use this for OpenClaw or Hermes if you use those AI agents, but you can literally just do this with Claude. I like to keep things extremely simple, so let me show you how to do it. So the instructions are actually pretty clear. You're gonna go to Claude, and then on the left panel, you're gonna click Customize. Now, when you click Customize, you're then gonna go to Connectors. And under Connectors, as you see, I have plenty of connectors already for a variety of different things I do with my ecom brand and agency. And what you're gonna wanna do is click Add Connector and then Add Custom Connector. Then all you're gonna do is name it Higgsfield, and then you're gonna copy this link right here. I'll leave the link for this in the description so you can easily copy it. You're gonna copy it here, and you're gonna name this Higgsfield, and then you're just gonna click Add. As you see, I've already added it, so I don't need to do it again. Now, this is completely safe. This is all through the official Higgsfield link. Make sure that you're using the official Higgsfield link. Otherwise, you could be letting other people steal your data or use your Claude in malicious ways. So just be careful. But here's the thing, before you start making ads, right, you need the strategy. The strategy is actually the key to making winning ads. If you just tell Claude to make you ads, sure, you may get some decent output, but the best thing that you can do is find examples in the market that are already winning, and also doing research on your own specific market. So rule number one is you don't really need to reinvent an offer. There's tons of brands that are absolutely crushing it on Meta already, and you can actually just find their top ads if you go to the Meta Ads library. It's a free resource anybody can use, and you can sort ads from any brand by top impressions. And that way you're gonna know that the top impression ads are ones that are winning. And you can see some of the best stuff in this case is problem aware hooks. So you can see yeasty ears, itchy paws. They're calling out the problem directly. This is a very powerful audience that you can tap into for pretty much any product. Now, using their ad templates and offers is an amazing idea, but of course, you're only gonna get so far with that, and you do need to come up with your own avatar and your own angles. And an amazing way to do that is to use the Smart Reply customer avatar tool. So basically what this does is it allows you to put any Facebook page on here, and it will analyze all of their comments. It'll show you all their comments as well in the bottom. But right here, what I really love is this customer avatar tool. So this is 100% free as well. And what it does is it tells you the actual primary avatar as well as the core desires of that avatar. So what do they truly care about? And then some sub avatars as well. So more people we can start tapping into and testing angles for. That way we can cover the whole entire market over time and scale tremendously. This is why strategy matters so much. So of course, this is the foundation you need to make great ads. And obviously you also need a product to make ads for. I recommend you use Alibaba to find an amazing supplier such as this, right? I can see that the supplier is good. Disclaimer, go and do your own deep research, talk to these suppliers, make sure that you're getting great products, especially if it's a consumable product. And in this case, for example, we can order the minimum of 100 pieces, so it'll cost about $500. Then what I would recommend is instead of having to pay for freights and a ton of shipping fees, I would actually chat with TeamDrop, make an account on here. TeamDrop is a sourcing platform. They're able to ship any product globally and warehouse it for you. They're in China themselves and can ship globally in 5 to 10 days sometimes. So talk to them on WhatsApp and arrange the connection with the manufacturer. This will save you tons of money and will allow you to literally ship your products worldwide from the very beginning. This is the leanest way to launch your ecom brand. People think you need a ton of money and a warehouse to do this. You really don't. Now that we have the foundation, you can go into the actual creative. So I'll show you how I started this, right? There are better ways to do this. You can get very deep into your prompting, but I want to keep it extremely simple for you guys to not overwhelm you. So the first thing I did is basically just add a reference picture of a winning ad that I want to use for my brand, but applying it to my product. And as you see, it gave me a really good mock-up, and it actually even switched the angle from dogs to cats, which is actually an incredible niche. And as you see, I just made sure to give it my actual jar, right? I uploaded it here, and then boom, it was able to give me a perfect ad right here. But you don't want to just launch one ad. Of course, the idea is to test a lot of ads. So then I took another viral format here that I know is absolutely crushing it for them and applied it to this same angle, but in a different format. And I think this is actually a banger ad right here. And lastly, here's another angle that I was able to scrape up. And this one actually has a specific discount on it. So it serves more as a bottom of the funnel ad for people that really just need that extra push. Then I just asked it to make me a UGC video.
I have to show you guys, my cat's coat was so
but it didn't use my jar. So all I did is told it to make sure to use my jar. It made a couple different reference images here in order to make sure that I actually liked what it was going to produce. And it produced this right here. Show you guys. Look. So here's the thing. This actually looks incredible, right? But here's a quick disclaimer also I want to give you. Make sure that you're careful with how many things you're producing, right? Because when it comes to generating videos, things can get quite expensive. So that's why I made sure to ask it to use VO 3.1, at least at the beginning, because VO 3 is a lot cheaper than models like Cdance 2.0. However, those models are a lot better. So I would recommend you use those once you actually get a good feel for how this works.
Let me, my cat's coat was so dry.
No, this is a good video. I mean, it's super simple. As you see, this like got super messed up with the hand in the end there.
She is unreal soft now.
That's very, very weird. Okay. But the hook actually looks pretty good. It's not an amazing hook. So the key here is to go back to the strategy side of it and actually do your own deep research on viral hooks that you're seeing. TikTok is one of the best places to do this in because things that go viral on TikTok tend to go viral everywhere. So if you can find 5 to 10 hooks in your niche on TikTok, use those hooks then for your video generation, and you're gonna find way more winning ads. But again, the research component is so key here. The execution side, it takes a little bit of time, right? You got to go back and forth with the generations to ensure that you get what you want, which can get costly. But again, this stuff used to be so much more expensive and painful to go through, especially with a real UGC creator, right? You got to go back and forth iterating. They may not say the script right. Maybe they don't understand direct response marketing, so they just don't make a script that actually sells. But now there's literally no barrier. And now that you have this, you can simply launch it on Meta. There are connectors for Meta. So as you see, I have the Meta ads connector, so I could literally just tell Claude in that same chat to launch all of those ads in one batch as my first testing batch. However, there's another caveat there. I have heard of people getting their ad accounts disabled because they use the Meta Ads MCP. So for the most part, we're still trying to do things manually as much as we can, but maybe that's a superstition. We have used it before to launch ads for clients, for example, and there's been no issues, but I still want you to be somewhat careful. I don't want you to get your ad account banned. But all in all, this is amazing. One person now can ship what an entire creative team could do in a week, but in one day, just one person. If you're just dedicated, you lock in, you do the research. And I know I own an agency, so some people might think that this is kind of stupid of me to make, but the reality is that we're actually getting a ton of demand, right? Because of this, now we can run things with a leaner team and help more clients out. The reality is that even though this is a lot easier than it ever was before, it's still too much and too complicated for a lot of business owners to do on their own, especially when they're busy doing a million other things. So not only is this a great opportunity for you as a Shopify brand owner or a potential Shopify brand owner, which by the way, Shopify has an incredible deal as well. You can use so much AI on Shopify too, and it's $1 a month for 90 days. And you can get up to $10,000 in credits as you start selling. It's amazing. I'll leave the link for that in the description as well. But this also is a great opportunity for people that want to provide agency services for brands. Like I said, there's thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of business owners out there that could use your help doing this stuff. And you can charge them upwards of $5,000 a month to do so. Again, I know because that's what we charge at our agency, but the level that we do it at is at a much higher level, of course. And likewise with my brand, we're launching new batches of ads every single day, and we're putting a lot of effort into it. We're not just taking whatever Higgsfield feeds us and then just launching that. We're actually editing things out, doing learnings, feedback loops on every single ad that we launch to make better ads. This gets a little bit complex, but you can also edit your ads using CapCut. So whatever generations you get from Higgsfield, You can use CapCut to edit them down, make them a little bit better, trim them up to make them feel more real, or even just add TikTok style captions. Those little things make a massive difference. So if you want to run this yourself, save this video, watch it over again. I'll leave the Higgsfield MCP in the description. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more, and peace.